What if I told you some people are putting coffee up there to achieve peak wellness? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we explore wellness trends that are so extreme they make our internal "why though" alarm blare like a broken coffee machine. Today, we're plunging into a practice that redefines morning ritual: coffee enemas and extreme colon cleanses. Because apparently, your digestive system isn't just for, digesting. It's a plumbing system desperately in need of a high-pressure power wash. Is this the ultimate detox secret? A hidden pathway to a sparkling clean gut? Or just pure, unfiltered nonsense? Let's bravely go where no coffee should really go. So, what exactly is a coffee enema? Well, it's pretty much what it sounds like. Instead of drinking your morning brew, you're introducing a diluted coffee solution directly into your rectum. The idea, often promoted by alternative health circles, is that the caffeine and other compounds in the coffee stimulate the liver, opening up bile ducts and encouraging the release of toxins. These toxins, along with supposed impacted waste clinging to your colon walls, are then meant to be dramatically flushed out, leaving you feeling revitalized, cleansed, and possibly a little jittery in the wrong places. And coffee enemas are just one star in the broader galaxy of extreme colon cleanses. We're talking colonic irrigations, intense herbal flushes, and various DIY methods, all built on the same core belief: your insides are dirty and they need a serious scrub. Now, here's where we bring in a healthy dose of reality, seasoned with a sprinkle of sass. The human body is a marvel of self-cleaning engineering. Your liver and kidneys are the true detox superstars, filtering waste and toxins from your blood 24/7. Our colon's job? Primarily to absorb water and electrolytes from digested food and form stool for healthy elimination. It's not a dusty old pipe full of ancient, impacted gunk. That idea of toxic sludge clinging to your colon walls, that's largely a myth, aggressively perpetuated by the detox industry. Think about it. If our colons were constantly lined with sticky, toxic waste, we'd all be far sicker than we are. Your body is designed to process and eliminate, and it does a pretty fantastic job on its own, thank you very much. Beyond being scientifically unnecessary, extreme colon cleanses, especially coffee enemas, come with some serious and frankly gross risks. First, there's the danger of electrolyte imbalance. Repeated flushing can disrupt the delicate balance of salts and minerals your body needs to function, leading to heart rhythm issues or even seizures. Then there's the risk of perforating your colon. Pushing tubes or solutions into a delicate organ can cause lesions or punctures, leading to severe infection and requiring emergency surgery. Not exactly peak wellness, is it? And let's not forget infections. Introducing non-sterile fluids or equipment into your body is an open invitation for bacteria and parasites to set up shop. Finally, these methods can actually disrupt your natural gut microbiome, throwing off the balance of beneficial bacteria your body needs for proper digestion and immunity. Oh, and dependency on these methods? That's a thing too. So, while the allure of an instant internal reset is understandable, our why though meter has officially exploded on this one. Your body doesn't need a high-pressure espresso wash to detox. It's already got the most sophisticated filtration system on the planet built right in. For optimal gut health, focus on evidence-based practices: a balanced diet rich in fiber, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and listening to your actual doctor. Leave the coffee for your cup and let your amazing body do its job. Some internal plumbing is best left to nature. The content on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. We explore unconventional topics, but our discussions are not endorsements of any practices or products mentioned. What's the wildest detox or cleanse you've ever heard people try? Share your stories and your most skeptical comments below. If you found this dive into extreme wellness both weird and well, hit that like button and subscribe to Weird But Well for more. Until next time, stay well, but sideways.